If you watch one video, you will earn $22. Watching 5 videos, you will earn over $110. And watching 10 videos, you can earn over $220. So you can easily earn over $1,900. Watching videos, this app is available worldwide and it's completely free. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to YouTube and go to the short section from there so that you can watch the short videos here and make money online watching these videos. Now you already know about YouTube Shorts and how you can make money with it, but today I will show you a new and working method to make money online by watching these videos. So stay tuned. And the good thing is that you can apply the same method to earn money by watching Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. So using this method, you can use all of these 3 platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, to earn money by watching videos. I will show you my secret method to make money by watching videos, and you can apply the same to all of these 3 platforms to maximize your earnings. But for this video, I would like to go with TikTok. Don't worry if you are from India and you don't have TikTok in your country, because you can either just go to Google and search for a free VPN extension for Chrome, select this link, and you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. After that, you just need to turn on your VPN extension and search for TikTok. And you will see that you can use TikTok even if TikTok is not available in your country, or you can just use YouTube or Instagram for the same method I will be showing you here today. This method works on both your PC device and your mobile device, but for our future videos, comment down below which device you use the most so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. Now the step number 2, once you create your account on TikTok and log into it, you will be on the dashboard of your TikTok account. Now I want you to go to the Explore page from here, and you will be able to see the different categories of videos that you can select from here and watch different videos to make money online. And I want you to select any one of the categories or niche topics from here, because if you select and watch one niche video, only your chances of making money will be much higher than if you go and watch all the niche videos out there. And the best niche for the purpose of this video is the spirituality or manifestation niche. This niche works very well on all 3 platforms, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can see these big channels making a ton of money on these platforms, so today we will go with the spirituality and manifestation niche. Now the step number 3 is to come over to clickbank.com and create your account by clicking on login, and then just select the create an account here. If for some reason ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use Digistore24. For this, both of them are competitors and provide the best offers for us to make money online. So once you log into your ClickBank account, I suggest you complete your profile there. And after that, just click on the affiliate marketplace. From the left, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can get different digital and physical products to promote and earn commissions for promoting them on different social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And because today we have chosen to go with the spirituality and manifestation niche, I want you to click here on this spirituality option on top, and that's going to show you the best performing spirituality and manifestation offers on ClickBank. So if you promote any of these products using TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, you get a commission per sale like you are seeing on your screen. But today I want you to focus on this moon reading offer from here. It is one of the best performing offers right now, and it's converting like crazy. If you promote this offer using your videos on TikTok, YouTube, or on Instagram, and you get only one person who buys this offer, you will earn $21 for that. And the good thing is that moon reading has the future rebilling options. So your one buyer will keep earning you $22 again and again if you just once promote this offer to them through your videos, which is just awesome. And to start promoting this product, you just need to click on this promote button, and your affiliate link will be copied, which you can then paste into the bio of your TikTok account, YouTube Shorts channel, or on Instagram page bio. And the next thing you need to do is to create TikTok's YouTube Shorts videos or Instagram Reels for this product with a call to action to click the link in the bio so that you can post those videos to your account on TikTok or YouTube and Instagram Reels, where people will see your videos about this offer and they will go to your bio and visit the offer site. And even if only 5 people buy this offer daily using your affiliate link, you will be earning over $110 daily, and in just 18 to 20 days of promoting this offer, you will easily earn over $1,900 by watching videos and using them to promote ClickBank offers. So we will be watching the YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels to find the niche and learn how we can create these videos to promote our offers from ClickBank so that we can earn over $22 per video we watch and create. So I will show you one free way and one paid way to create videos for the product. Starting with the best way to create your videos, you can use our sponsors of this video. Viral Ecom Ads, or also known as VIO Viral Ecom Ads, is one of the best ads creating service providers companies for dropshipping products, and they have made over 880,000 video ads for more than 35,000 clients. The owners of this company have generated over $40 million in e-commerce sales. By using the videos made by Viral Ecom Ads, you can see some of the 7-figure dropshipping entrepreneur names in their review view section, like Sarah Finance and Sebastian. For the purpose of this video, you can go with VIA ads to create your offer videos, because if you are an affiliate marketer or a dropshipper or planning to do dropshipping or ClickBank affiliate marketing as your career, then you must know that you need video ads to be successful in this field, and there's no way around it. Even if you test with stolen or bad content, it significantly reduces your odds of finding success. With dropshipping or affiliate marketing, you'll end up burning through money, which isn't good, especially if you're on a tight budget. Even, you put yourself at risk of getting permanently banned from running ads. Viral Ecom Ads helps you avoid all of these hurdles and helps you to get success with your dropshipping and affiliate marketing store by providing you with proven to convert video ads. Vias's videos are created using a proven strategy that the owners of the company have personally found winners and scaled stores with. So, to create your product's video for TikTok, I want you to click on the video ads and select the video ad packages from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can find 3 different ad packages: Facebook AD split testing package, Facebook ad package, and TikTok OD split testing package. The owners of Viral Ecom Ads are active in e-commerce and are constantly updating the video ad packages based on the current trends and what is currently working for themselves and other dropshippers and affiliate marketers. You can see the different case studies of their users and the amount of revenue they generated using VIA on your screen right now. And because we want to create the TikTok videos, I want you to select the TikTok split testing package from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can see that you will get 3 ad variations for one product for just $12. $50 if you are a VIP member. For non-members, the fee will be $50. If you buy 3 TikTok split testing packages, you will just pay $130 and you will save $20 and so on. Now, if you want the text to be added to your TikTok video ads, you need to pay just $50 more, and your video ad will look more engaging and entertaining. And if you also want to add a male or female voiceover to your video, you just need to select it from here and pay $50 more for it. The duration of the ad will be 15 to 20 seconds and you will get the delivery within 24 hours. If you are a VIP member, you just need to place your order for the package that fits your business needs. You will receive an email with a link to fill out your product ad submission form, where you have to fill in some details required about your product to create the videos for you. You will receive your video ad within 1 to 3 business days in your email if you are a non-VIP member. And the good thing is that you can ask for unlimited revisions within 7 days from delivery. Now down here you can see the different ad creatives here and the revenue these ad creatives have generated for different users of viral e-com ads. Now let me show you one of the ad creatives. Are you tired of the same old hair routine? Check out this incredible heatless curling headband. As you can see, the quality of VOS's video ads is very impressive. They are engaging, entertaining, and most importantly, they are high converting videos now. Becoming a VIP member on viral e-com ads will get you a ton of benefits, like getting 75% off on all video ad packages, getting 24-hour delivery and revisions delivery, even on weekends, and providing you with priority support. It allows you to save a ton of money if you're testing products consistently, so you can just press this button to join VIP members. Now, if you click the UGC ads option and select the viral e-com creators from there, you will see that VIA also provides you viral e-com creators platform where you get to set your own rate per video that fits within your budget. You can see some of the previous work from here and you can see the creatives delivered, organic views gained, and the sales generated using these UGC creatives. Now the good thing is that you can communicate directly with creators through their software chat feature. There's no limit to the amount of creators you can get or the amount of UGC. Now the free way to create your videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels is to create them yourself. All you need to do is to watch some of these videos that are promoting the same offers, like this video, in the spirituality and man manifestation niche. You can watch 5 to 10 videos like this and it will give you a good idea of how to create videos to show your offers on TikTok. So just write down the important points from these videos and write your script for your offer in your own words. Then just go to the 11 labs and here you can use 10,000 voice characters for free to create your videos. After you get the voiceover done, from here you can use the CapCut app on your phone or on your computer to edit the videos for completely free. You can get the necessary stock footage and images from Pixabay and Pixels for free, and you will be ready with your video, which you will be posting on TikTok, YouTube, and on Instagram account. I suggest you create at least 10 to 15 videos for one offer because this will increase your conversion rates on TikTok and you will be easily getting 5 to 10 sales a day, which will make you over $100 to $200 in a day. And all you will be doing is watching the videos on TikTok, YouTube, or on Instagram. Choose a niche from there and select the offer to promote to that niche from ClickBank, and boom, you will earn over $1,900 easily within 18 to 20 days by just using this method. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.